Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I am going to show you uh, how to validate the first letter validation in Angular. So here I am using a simple project, and here I am using reactive forms like that. Here you can see that the ng on it, this dot forms form builder dot group, and the name is like that. Name is colon, and that is empty string, and the validators is looking like that. Validators dot required, validators dot minimum length is 2, and this is the simple built-in validations, and the rules is applied on it here. Constant field, this dot form dot get name, field dot has error required, field dot has error minimum length. Just I'm going to add a custom validation in Angular. How to add custom validation in Angular? So just you can do, just right click on your app, and here you can just create a new folder, and the folder name is validations. Okay, so in the validations, just you have to add a new file, that is validators uh, first letter first letter uppercase dot ts, first letter uppercase dot ts, and you know that the first letter uppercase dot ts is a type of function. So export the function and the first letter uppercase. So first letter uppercase is the type of function. So just return validator function is a type of validator function. Okay, so you know that it's a type of validator function, so just return return is it's a type of control. So control, it's a type of abstract control. Abstract control. So abstract control, it's a return of type. So just I'm going to add, first of all, control is what? So constant value is a type of constant value is a type of string, and okay, so just I'm going to value sorry, control dot value, just I'm going to add it here, and in the value field just I'm going to add a string right here. Okay, it's a type of string, you can say. So if not value, then return. Okay, if value length, value dot length is triple equals to 0, then return okay, if triple equals to 0, const first letter. Okay, in the first letter, what I'm going to get the value of 0. Just I'm going to get, actually, if first letter, just there is the first letter, so first letter is not equals to triple equals to first letter first letter first letter, I mean to say that first letter dot to uppercase is the function name. Okay, so just I'm going to add it here, and then return. What should I do? Just I want to get return. Return, just I'm going to add it here, that is the first letter uppercase is the name, so I use it here, and this is the type. Okay, and here I'm going to add message, and in the message just I'm going to add the first letter must be uppercase. Okay, so the first letter must be uppercase. So here I'm using, and written, that's fine. So you know that a validator function and abstract control is a type of the thing. So use control dot, and here we have control extract to type alias, extract, convert to anonymous function, inner function, and so on. So what should I do? That is not a controller, that is the control only. So it's a abstract control. So spell is abstract control. So just I'm going to add quick fix update import from there, and here we have validator function, abstract control, and value is written. That is the all not all code passed return a value. So just I'm going to add return right here, and you can say it's written. So everything is clear. I think it's clear. So here I'm using return function, and the return value is not written right now. Okay, so everything is right. Okay, so everything is right. Now just I'm going to add, first of all save this thing, and just I'm going to add in the create genres controller. So okay, you can say that export function first letter uppercase, it's a type of validator function, and that return, that control abstract control. Okay, so return, that is the control and abstract control, and in which you can say that the constant value and control dot value is not true, that is written, and values dot length is triple equals to 0, then return, and get the first letter of your value. I mean to say that your entered value in the text box, that is the first letter, and the first letter is not equals to first letter dot to uppercase. Then you can say that return a simple message on your screen by using this error has error code, that is the first letter uppercase. So this is the error code, first letter uppercase, and that is the message inside it. Okay, so just you can just type it in the create genres dot right here, and you can say that if field dot has error, and that error is first letter uppercase, this is the message. You can say this like type in the mean length looking like that first letter uppercase. Okay, so after that return, you can say that is the return field dot get error, that is the get error, and in which you can just define first letter uppercase dot, that is the first letter upper get error first letter dot message, that is the message. Okay, so that is the message. I mean to say this is the message, the first letter must be uppercase. So field dot has error first letter uppercase, and then return field dot get error, field dot get error is the first letter uppercase dot message. Now in the form group, you can just define it right here, and here we have a validator, and just define first letter uppercase, first letter uppercase, that is the method name, and after that you can just run this your. In the output window, you can just say that if you type comedy, then you can say that it's not getting an error, but this type comedy, the first letter must be an uppercase. So this is the type of the error message you have to show on by using the custom validation, and the custom validation looking like this. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos which is related to Angular and ASP.NET Core.